How to fix bookmarks not being shown in Opera GX browser. So let's get started. So first thing, just head over to Opera GX browser, and as you can see, there is no bookmark currently available. So let me just quickly show you an example. So let's say I want to bookmark this WWE page over here. So what I'll be doing is just click on it and click on this favorite bar icon at the top right corner in the navigation bar. So let me just quickly click on that. So once I click on that, the bookmark will be added. As you can see, you can also choose between the folders, different bookmark name as well directory, and click on done, and you can see my bookmark has been added. So if you don't see such option, that means if you don't see this bookmark being added on your page navigation home bar, then in that case your bookmark option might be disabled. So to find it, just click on settings, and once you're inside here, just head over to GX Basics, make sure you are on that page, and finally click on this bookmarks option over here. And once you're inside here, you can see my option for bookmarks is currently enabled. So in your case, it might be disabled. So as you can see, my WWE page is over here. So just make sure you have enabled the search option, then only you will be seeing such bookmarks on your home page of your screen. And you can always enable and disable this option just like that. So that is it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.